Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, I want to talk about sneakers, but not just any kind of sneakers. Sneakers that you can get at really great prices. On December 12, we will be having Lazada 12/12, which is the biggest Christmas sale here in the Philippines. Everything that you want to get, be it shoes, gadgets, big discounts all around. And in today's episode, what I want to do is I want to share with you what I think are the very best sneaker deals that you can get from your favorite brands such as Adidas, Nike, Under Armour, and of course, New Balance. Let's kick things off with what I think is one of the best, most insane deals for a running sneaker from Nike. Of course, I'm talking about one of my ultimate favorite running shoes for 2020. This is the Nike React Infinity. This one is perfect for people who just want an everyday comfortable shoe that can also obviously work as a running or training sneaker. It has a wider base, so it supports people who have a little bit, wide feet, and it also gives amazing support. The Nike React Infinity usually sells for 8,000 pesos, but with the Lazada 12/12 sale on the official Nike shop, you can buy it for half the price at just 4,000 pesos. Oh, and if you spend over 5,000 pesos on the Nike shop, you get an additional 600 pesos off. Link down below. Lots of colors to pick from. Now that's Nike. What about Adidas? We have, of course, the Ultra Boost, the Adidas Ultra Boost 20, the Adidas Ultra Boost Summer Ready, and different other kinds of Ultra Boosts are on sale. Come Lazada 12/12 on the official Adidas flagship shop or store on Lazada. 12/12, December 12, don't forget. Now, what is the promo of Adidas for Lazada 12/12? It's actually very straightforward. Buy 3 items, get an additional 50% off, which basically means you should be able to get Ultra Boosts at almost half the price, roughly 4,000 to 5,000 pesos per pair of the Ultra Boost if you buy multiple items. Amazing savings, guys, if you ask me. If you haven't bought a Boost shoe yet, a running shoe, this is one of the best times to do so. How about Under Armour? By the way, before we get to the shoes, this is single-handedly one of the very best sports masks I've ever tried. It's the Under Armour face mask. It's not available on Lazada though. It's available on their physical shop, so check them out. This is really comfortable. Anyway, speaking of Under Armour, my favorite training shoe, the Project Rock 2, is on sale. Usually sells for over 8,000, I think. Price is down to around 5,000 pesos for December 12, Lazada 12/12. Link down below. Now, my other favorite training shoe, this is the Tri-Base Hover. This one sells for over 7 or 8,000 as well. Super comfortable, great support, fantastic all-around shoe. And it even gives you those Bret Hart, for those WWE fans, colors, pink and black heart attack. Yeah. And this one sells also for around 5,000 on the Lazada 12/12 sale. Link down below. Before we continue, can I just say, nakakapagod pala magtaas ng energy for vlogs like this. But anyway, let's keep going on with the shoes. These sneakers are not just gifts for yourself. You can also consider giving people gifts, okay? The great thing about Lazada right now is if you buy more, you save more. Come December 12, Lazada 12/12. So this is the perfect time to buy gifts for your friends, for your family, for your loved ones, for your boyfriend, for your girlfriend. If you want to give somebody shoes, this is like the best time to do so with the rock bottom prices. Diba? Panalo sobra. So buy more, save more, Lazada 12/12. Again, the links to all the stuff that I'm showing you, all the amazing sneakers, can be found down below in the description box. Huwag nyo lang isipin sarili ninyo this time around. Isipin nyo din sino pwede nyong i-bless ng brand new pair of sneakers. Matutuwa sa inyo yun sobra. Okay, so we're here in my, upper YouTube studio. So it's a different room where some of my other sneakers are. Let's continue with the sneakers worth copying during Lazada's 12/12 sale. This, ladies and gentlemen, is without a doubt one of the most underrated sneakers of 2020. This is the Nike React Vision. Think of it as a lifestyle version, a more comfortable lifestyle version of the React running shoe. So this one is the triple white colorway, which is just so friggin' clean, very easy to wear, has a futuristic vibe with that, I don't know what you call this, that plastic plate at the heel sticking out a bit, but I really like the shoe. Super nice to wear everyday white pair of kicks. Now this one usually sells for, I think, around 7,000-ish or 6,000 plus, but now you can get it for 4,000 pesos in different colors during Lazada's 12/12 sale on the Nike official shop. Ba-bam! And speaking of very comfortable sneakers to wear, we have this, which is also on sale, but not this color. This is the triple white Air Force One React, but I believe they have the black, blue, red, white pair, which is on sale. So this one usually sells for a little less than 7,000. You can now get it for 3,700 something pesos. Again, on Nike's official shop on Lazada during December 12. Link to all the sneakers that I'm talking about down below. Add to cart nyo na, and then come 11:59 p.m. of December 11, 1 minute after that, when the clock hits midnight, check out. Because malamang ubusan ka agad to. So add to cart in your size, check out midnight, December 12. Now, the next pair of kicks was something that really caught me by surprise because I didn't think that they would put it on such big sale price, because I really feel that this is one of the most comfortable chunky shoes that you could buy today. Of course, I'm talking about the Nike Air Zoom type. I paid for this full price when I bought it, and now it's on sale. Grabe, ang swerte nyo talaga, guys. Ang malas ko talaga. Ba't ba ako bili ng SRP? Yeah, I don't think you should buy shoes for SRP anymore. But anyway, so this is the Nike Air Zoom type. One of the most comfortable sneakers, chunky sneakers to come out in 2020. Usually priced at over 7,000, almost 8,000 pesos. You can get it for less than 4,000 pesos come December 12 in the black color. O, di ba panalo? So if you want a chunky, comfortable, cloud-like shoe, this is it, Chief. So check it out. The link to this can be found down below. Last but not the least, we have something from New Balance. They have a bunch of New Balance 997, I think H or S, available on the shop that are selling for, I think, a little over 2,000 pesos. So these are really comfortable shoes. So just pick the one that talks to you in terms of design, in terms of style, in terms of vibe, and I bet you will really thoroughly enjoy this New Balance pair of kicks. O, diba? Link down below. And there you have it. Those are the sneakers that I think are worth copying on Lazada for their 12/12 sale. Of course, I encourage you guys to go over all the different shoes that are listed. But for me, if I were to pick the ones that I would personally say, ito sulit to, ito maganda bilhin to, those are the shoes that I feel are worth considering. And with that said, that's actually it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you again tomorrow for another episode, another video. I have a bunch of videos like this. Now, it's more recommendations in time for the sales, in time for Christmas. So I hope you find them helpful, and I hope that you find them useful. Feel free to send this to your friends so that they can buy the gifts for you that are listed on today's vlog. So kunin nyo yung link na to, padala nyo sa kanila para alam nila kung ano yung magandang bilhin para sa inyo. Oh, and don't forget, we're doing a giveaway which we will be drawing on December 12. We're doing giveaways for Realme smartphones and a bunch of other stuff. The links to all of my giveaways are in the description box and in the comment section. With that said, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.